In this video, I will show you how to transfer Bitcoin to Revolut. So first just go and open up the Revolut app, and then what you want to go and do is click on crypto in the bottom. From here, what you can do is click on receive. Now here, simply click on let's go. And here, currently the only option for me is Bitcoin, which is fine because I want to transfer Bitcoin to my Revolut account. So let's click on Bitcoin. And now here you will get your Bitcoin QR code that people can scan, but under that the blue box will be your wallet address. So by clicking on that, you will then copy it, and you can see the network is Bitcoin. So now just go to the wallet that you want to send it from, and for example, I'll just go to Bybit. And then no matter which crypto exchange or wallet you are using, just go and go to the withdrawal section, select crypto. Now I don't have any here, but let's say I would have some Bitcoin. Then I could click on that right here. And then here I could paste in that wallet address that I just got from Revolut. And then you need to make sure that the network is the exact same. So in this case, that's Bitcoin. Sometimes it says BTC, but that's the network you will need to use to deposit the Bitcoin on your Revolut account. So after sending it, it will show up in your Revolut account balance under your Bitcoin. So now you know how to transfer Bitcoin to Revolut. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.